In this next section, I want to talk about what is commonly referred to as summary statistics, and the first function that we want to talk about is going to be the average, which is also referred to as the mean. Being able to calculate the average of a set of values is a pretty important task for a data analyst, and we can do that pretty easily inside of Excel. To do this, we'll simply go into one of our cells, we'll hit the equal sign, we'll type out the word average, and then the open parenthesis, and this is going to look similar to all the other functions that we've done. Next, all we have to do is specify the range of the cells that we want to get the average value for, and then we'll close this off with a parenthesis, and then we'll hit enter. As you can see here, we get the average total dollar amount for all the purchases that were made. Now, the average function is a really useful function, but it doesn't necessarily tell you all the details that you may need to know as a data analyst. For example, let's create 4 sample records so I can show you what I mean. In this example, we're going to go ahead and create a value of 100 and then 1, 1, and 1. Across these 4 records, we have a total of 103. However, when we look at the average is going to be 25.75. Now, while this average is true, it's a little bit misleading because when we look at those values, we have 4 values, 3 of them are the value of 1 and 1 of them is of 100, but we're saying that the average is 25.75. So when you think about that average value in relation to the one record here that's 100 or to the other 3 records that are 1, it's not very precise. So to help us better understand our data when we're looking at the average, what we need to know is the median value.